Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. In this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video. This video is going to be very helpful for you, right? So do watch a complete video so that you are not missing any important update regarding to the hiring process. But before proceeding further, is a request from my side that make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Hey all, this is the platform Relabel by Unacademy, where many product-based as well as startup companies are hiring like a Spread, Meesho, Upgrade on the basis of relevant skill set from a candidate. So if you are someone from 18 plus years and looking for opportunities, and also if you're an experience, so 18 plus to 40 years is if you are whether experienced or fresher looking for opportunities, then this platform is for you. All you have to do is that you have to do the registration for the test. You have to take the test and score good, like over 70% in the test. You have to interview with employers, accept the offer letter, and that's it. This is what all you have to do. And you can see many companies are going to hire from this platform, and they do make sure that if you're someone from a non-tech background, you will be minimum getting the package of 4 LPA, and students do get package of even 15 LPA. Still not sure? So let's have a look on the page of Relabel Achievers, where they used to put the stories of amazing students who got placed through Relabel itself, right? So it's your turn now. Do the registration. The registration link is given in the description. So do the registration, give the test, and get placed in your dream company, guys. Happy learning. Coming to our first opportunity, that is from Amazon. So Amazon is basically hiring for the role of software development engineer intern. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch. So if you're from 2022 batch, make sure to fill this Google form. The link is given in the description itself. And if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, if your skill set are basically meeting to the actual skill set that they are looking for, then definitely you'll be shortlisted for the further process, and everything will be communicated to you via the mail itself. So this is our first opportunity from Amazon for 2022 batch. Well, here's our next opportunity, right? That is from Cognizant. So this opportunity is also for 2022 batch. So guys, as you can see now, many companies have started hiring for 2022 batch. So start the preparation if you haven't started till now, because so many hirings are yet to come for 2022 batch. So be prepared for them. Well, without further discussion, let's talk about this. So Cognizant is basically hiring for 2022 batch. For the Gen Z role, they are offering 4 so they are offering 4 LPA. Now, why Cognizant? So from internship to higher education, we have you covered. So first step is that you have to do the registration. Then there will be aptitude test. Then round 2 is interview plus HR discussion. So you can see there are very less steps in Cognizant. In the round first, you will be having aptitude test that will be consisting of reasoning, verbal, and aptitude only. There will be no coding thing, no technical questions. And in round 2, there will be technical interview as well as HR interview. And at the last, you are going to get the Gen Z offer. Coming to the eligibility criteria, so they have specified 2022 batch of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, and MS Software Engineering 5-year integrated course. Degree only students should possess consistent academic record with 60% or greater in 10th, 12th diploma, UG and PG. All subjects will be taken into consideration. Aggregate percentage, they have specified like how you have to calculate. Students with standing arrears or more than 2 years gap in education are not eligible for the opportunity. At the time of joining, recruits should have an overall aggregate score of 60% or greater. Aggregate for the student who have applied for evolution will be derived based on the initial scores. CGPA 2% conversion will be considered as per university norms. Okay, so coming to the profile information, so candidates should apply for only one category, Gen Z Elevate or Gen Z. If a candidate applied for both, the application will be rejected. If you are a new user, click on register now and proceed to fill the required details to complete the application form and register successfully using personal email ID. Do not use college or university email address. They have clearly specified it. Certain other points are also being provided, and here they have provided some student information as well, that what you actually have to do. So the registration link will be shared with college TPO, and a student must scan and upload. Well, what you have to do is you have to upload all these documents, you have to attach all these documents in your resume. That first of all, in like basically in one document there should be a resume consisting of a passport size photograph. So make a note of that, they have specified it, so you must have it, right? College ID card, all academic documents including the school certificates and college semester mark sheet, government ID proof should be there. So in a document itself you should have all these things attached basically, right? Further information of how to have this resume is provided. The link of that particular video related to this is provided in the description itself, so you can check it from there. Now documents for the interview also they have specified, right? So again, this is an amazing opportunity for 2022 batch from Cognizant, so make sure to apply. Next opportunity is also for 2022 batch, so that is from KPIT. It is an amazing company, right? So coming to the package that they're gonna offer is 4 LPA and many other benefits also they are going to cover for you. So here's this form provided where you have to provide all your details, but make sure before submitting the form you are gonna check all the details so that there is no error or no mistake. So make sure to apply for it. This is also an amazing opportunity for 2022 batch. Coming to our next opportunity, that is from Kriti Technology. So Pool Campus Drive Mechanical 2022. So the eligibility criteria for this recruitment process is noted below. The minimum qualification to apply for the vacancy is BTech, BE, ME and MTech who will pass out in 2022. So this opportunity is also for 2022. Can only apply mechanical and all related branches. So this is for mechanical and the related branches, right? Example like industrial production, metallurgy are eligible. So this is not for computer science also, they have clearly specified it. So like many of the students do complain that there is no opportunity for mechanical, and also here's the opportunity for you guys. So candidates must have basic knowledge regarding C, Java, C++, data structure, DBMS, algorithm and operating system, right? So to get the syllabus, click on the link. So here they have provided the link as well where you can get the complete syllabus, that what they're going to actually ask and what like from which particular things they're going to ask the questions. Coming to the package, so all deserving, so there is no such vacancy criteria, all deserving candidates will be hired. Package they're going to offer is will be ranging for 5.4 LPA to 6.6 LPA. Selection process, so we do have online aptitude test. So first round will be online aptitude test having 3 sections, that is quantitative, English and general knowledge, logical reasoning and puzzle. Total marks will be 60 and allotted time is 45 minutes. So 20 questions in each section you will be having. So a total of 60 questions. Different marks may be there for different question. Also, there is negative marking as well. 1/4 marks of the assigned mark will be deducted in case of wrong answer. Next round is MCQ coding test. So it is not coding test, it is MCQ coding test, right? Duration will be 20 minutes and there will be 45 questions. One has to score 20 points from each section to qualify. So there will be certain sections and you have to score 20 points in each section. Okay, so they have specified what you have to do. Total 20 points out of 45. So 45 questions will be there. So you have to do this. Next round will be coding test. This is again going to be online. Duration will be 60 minutes. There will be 3 questions. You have to write and execute 2 programs successfully for qualifying or for getting shortlisted for next round. Then next round is group discussion. That is also going to be online. Then there is no technical interview. Then at the last there is HR interview that will be on Google Meet. So technical interview, okay. So in the last they have technical interview as well, right? So in the last they have technical interview and final round they must have included something that is again going to be on Google Meet. So for technical interview, they have clearly specified that what they're going to actually ask, that will be C, Java, C++, or any other programming language in which candidate has knowledge, data structure, DBMS, algorithm, operating system, must have good command in his, her own branch. Right, so here they have specified some terms and conditions as well for the training program if selected. So you can just go through it to understand about their terms and conditions. Also, there is no employment bond, as if they have clearly specified. Joining incentives also, they have provided that amount of rupees 20,000 will be paid to outstation candidate. This amount will be extra and it is not a part of CTC. Please note, all the details need to be filled properly. Application having incomplete academic detail will get rejected. Last date to apply is 10th of November 2021, and recruitment will be started from 25th of November. So you have time. Do preparation for it and make sure to apply for it as well. Coming to our next opportunity, that is from Bosch. So Bosch is basically hiring for the role of associate software engineer for 2021 batch. So this is the opportunity for 2021 batch. We can go through the eligibility criteria as well. So BTech BE fresher only are eligible, should have completed their BTech BE in 2021, minimum 70%, 7.0 CGPA throughout their academic career. 10th, 12th and BTech BE branches considered are electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, computer science and related branches, right? So here you have to simply click on apply, and here you have to provide the information that they have asked for, right? So this is an opportunity for 2021 batch. So these were some opportunities for all of you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe this channel and share the video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about these opportunities. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.